2, 3. Hi guys, welcome to another video. FN2 Ops here. Today is a very special video. I got something for you, and the only thing I'm going to say now is hashtag new wheels every day. I'll see you after the intro. Yeah, so today's a very special day. I still can't believe what I just bought. Something that I wanted since, day one, I guess. And when I've started searching a bit more about this car. So as you may know, that Mugen has done their own version of this car with the aero bumpers, tweaked engine, and so on. They released a prototype, and they made 20 copies of that prototype, and that's what is called the M20, which is a very rare car. Anyway, although that Mugen released only 20 cars, they still released the aero bumpers and aero styling for this car, which people could buy it for a small fortune. I'm sorry to disappoint you though. I didn't bought aero, but I bought something that actually is the Mugen car. And as I said in the intro, I'm known by having different sets of wheels, and I bought a new set of wheels. So hope you guys are ready. This is my new set. That's right guys, I bought myself a set of Mugen wheels. I still can't believe it, I got the set. I was quite lucky and fortunate to buy these because they are becoming rare and rare, and for me it was a no-brainer, because I know that you can't find these sets really easy, and as time goes by they are getting rarer and rare, so it was basically now or never, I guess. And these are Mugen original wheels. They came, or they were manufactured for other cars like the FD2, and I think they also did a version for the S2000, obviously with different ETs. So this wheel is 18 by 7.5 and with the ET of plus 55. The color of this wheel is called Gun Metallic, and there's also a version in bronze. To be honest, I was more keen on the bronze than on this one, but after seeing it in person, and although it look in different shades, it's just nice, really nice. According to Mugen, compared to the 18s OEM, you basically saving 5 kilos, which is quite a lot. But yeah, that's it. The plan now is to give them a good clean. They've been dry stored and there's a bit of dust, as you can see here. Obviously we are not going to use any aggressive wheel cleaner products, because I don't want to damage the paint on these ones, and to be honest, they don't need that deep cleaning. Fortunately, I don't have any ceramic coating with me, but the plan is to ceramic coating this, but for now we're just gonna use normal wax. So that's the plan, so we're gonna just watch it. Right, so the first thing we're gonna do is to use some snow foam. This is the Karcher Lance. It's not one of the best to generate that proper foam, but it does the job in my opinion. And then after the snow foam, we just let it sit for 5 minutes, and we will go with a soft brush over every part of the wheel. Really want to use a soft brush, but not too soft, because you still want to agitate those debris, if you know what I mean. And then we just make sure there's no debris there, and then keep doing everything as spoke. So we'll do the fronts first, then the backs. And then we'll be back to the front. This should be okay, so we just need to repeat the process for all 4 wheels. We carefully turn the wheels around so we can basically clean the grooves inside of the barrel, but again I'm going to use a bit of soap. I wouldn't call this actual snow foam, but there's not much snow, but we're gonna give this a bit of a snow foam, and then again we're gonna agitate the particles, and we're gonna actually clean the rubber. As you see, it's quite dirty, so we're gonna give it a good scrub. We're going to use the sponge and the washing mitt, and yeah, we just do exactly the same thing, which is the small grooves. We get to the small spots where most likely the mitt will not be able to get. Small areas here, right, and then once we are happy, we're going to use washing mitt. I'm going to use this to clean the actual barrel, because it's quite a big area, and one of the things you need to be careful is make sure you don't scratch the other side of the wheel. I got a protection on the back of the wheel, but it's not super safe, so I should carry on cleaning these, and I'll be back. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is, with this brush, go to the inner side of the rubber, really gentle, and we'll try to agitate as much we can, and we'll see. Notice it starts getting, the soap is getting discolored with all the dirt. That's because we are agitating all the particles. So we just need to use this brush. We cleaned the rubber the best we could with the brush. You can see there's some brownish color to the snow foam, and that means that we agitated the particles, which is good. So what we're going to do next is basically rinse the wheels, and then we're going to flip them around and do exactly the same thing, and then finally dry them all. So we got a typical drying towel, I guess. Two faces, so you know if you want to basically clean one face of the wheel with one side and the other face with the other one, so you know what you're doing. But yeah, so we literally just gonna give them a good dry, as soft as we can, and yeah, just repeat the process. To be honest, try not to leave any water because otherwise they will mark the wheel. Instead we got some Mcguire's Ultimate Liquid Wax, and we'll give this a go. So obviously we just gonna agitate it, try not to put too much, and put a smear. Make sure the wheels are really dry, because otherwise the wax will not do the job properly, because basically you are diluting the wax, so to speak. So as I mentioned, I mean, ceramic coating is way much better for wheels, but this will give us a good protection until we buy some ceramic coating. Actually, this is a shot for you guys. If any of you is a product detailer, let me know what products do you use to clean your wheels, and if you actually retailer, if you feel that you want to sponsor the channel with something, I'm more than happy to do a proper review about the product, and I'll be 100% honest with you guys. So just a shot. So with the microfiber cloth, we're gonna basically clean the excess or buff it. So just try to be as gentle as possible. Again, I mean, if it's a good wax, it should come really easy. You'll find that some of those cheap wax, they will basically glue to the surface, even if it's a car panel or wheels. You'll feel it away and they basically start to haze, and you'll see it as well, because when the car gets dirty you'll have like some haziness in some of the panels. As you can see, this one is coming off real easy. So that's today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said previously, I'm lost for words. This is my dream wheels. This is something that I wanted since I bought the car, and I'm really pleased with them. I'm not gonna fit them just yet, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me for the next episode maybe. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video with my process of cleaning the wheels. Again, I'm not a professional detailer. I'm just a random guy that likes to clean his wheels, I guess. But just leave in the comments what you think about these wheels. What wheels are you guys running, and what do you think I should do next with the car? There's news coming, and yeah, just wait for it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, leave your comment below. See you guys.